Orange chicken. Ingredients. Nutrition. 2 pounds boneless skinless chicken, chopped into bite-sized pieces. 1 egg. 1½ teaspoons salt. White pepper. Oil, for frying. ½ cup cornstarch. 1/4 cup flour. Orange sauce. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 3/4 cup orange juice. ½ cup brown sugar. 1 orange, zest of. 1 tablespoon oil. 2 tablespoons gingerroot, minced. 2 teaspoons garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon red chili pepper flakes. ½ cup green onion, chopped. 2 tablespoons rice wine. ½ cup water. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Directions. Place chicken pieces in a large bowl, set aside. In a medium bowl, stir egg, salt, pepper and 1 tablespoon oil and mix well, set aside. In a medium bowl, stir together ½ cup of the cornstarch and the flour. Heat oil for deep frying in wok or deep fryer to 375 degrees. Dip chicken pieces into egg mixture, then into the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Add chicken to wok in small batches and fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Do not overcook chicken. Remove chicken from oil with slotted spoon and drain on paper towels, set aside. For the sauce. In a small bowl, combine the soy sauce, orange juice, brown sugar and orange zest. Set aside. Clean wok and heat 15 seconds over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon oil, the gingerroot, garlic, crushed red chili pepper flakes and green onions and stir fry for just a few seconds until fragrant. Now, add the rice wine and the soy sauce mixture you set aside above. Add cooked chicken, stirring until well mixed. In a small bowl, stir together the water and cornstarch, then add it to the wok and stir until sauce has thickened. Add sesame oil if desired. Serve over jasmine rice.